Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this Peugeot 107. So this car comes with a radio that features a CD player, there's air conditioning, the car's had 3 previous owners, it's free to tax, and we provide the car with 6 months warranty and 6 months roadside assistance. So let's have a look around. Has the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 68 horsepower. It's done under 33,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.